Are you planning to buy a car? Well, purchasing a brand new car needs huge financial investment, which may be burdensome for you. If you are unable to manage such huge savings, then you can opt for buying a used car available for sale. But where to find a used car in best condition and affordable prices? Check out the wide inventory of Car Depot. It is one of the best used car dealerships near you in Pasadena. They have a great collection of used cars on top brands and different options, like economic sedans, family-friendly SUVs, trucks, vans, etc. All their best conditioned, well-maintained used cars are available at the best competitive prices compared to the other local car dealerships. They have a team of knowledgeable and friendly experts who will help you to choose the right car best suited to your lifestyle, automotive needs and budget. Apart from these, they will help you in purchasing your dream car by providing the best possible financial assistance, like car loan with desired interest rate. So, what are you waiting for? Contact them right away by dialing 1-626-469-0034 and make your car buying dream successful. For more details, you can directly visit their official website https://cardepotag.com/.